Hey guys, it's John with ReelBlue Custom Rods and welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I would do a short video as I have an announcement that I'd like to share with you guys, and so you guys kind of hear it from me and know what's going on. In the last couple of years has been a very interesting and grateful experience as it applies to YouTube and my business in general. But specifically this video is about the YouTube channel, right? And it has been a great run. It's been a great experience. Just the last 2 years have been really taxing and have taken a lot, man. It takes a lot to make 3 videos a week for the last 2 years. And the reason why I did that is I wanted to kind of, I thought more videos would help me spread my reach, and get more viewers to see the channel, not necessarily subscribers, but just more people viewing the channel. And I feel like that gamble was successful. So I did that in 2023 is the year that I started doing 3 videos per week. And then I decided to make that same commitment to YouTube in 2024. That being said, I'm just going to take a break for a few months, probably about 6 months. So today's video will be kind of the last video for the next probably 6 months that I'm going to release publicly. However, what I am going to continue to do is a couple of things. And they're totally up to you. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm still going to communicate with you, and I'm still going to interact with you in the community tab. And if you're on your phone and you're in the YouTube app, you can see the community tab there where people interact with other channels or channels interact with their subscribers. And I'm going to do the same thing. And I'm going to shoot for 3 to 5 engagements with you every week while I'm taking a break. That'll be about personal stuff. It'll be about the business. It'll be about the channel. It'll be about custom rod building bait nets, gaffs, that kind of stuff, right? So I'm still going to interact with you guys 3 to 5 times a week in the community chat and keep you guys abreast of what's going on and any updates if I decide to come back earlier or anything like that. The second way that I am going to still be engaged in YouTube is going to be through the paid membership. So because I have people that are paid members to the YouTube channel, and if you are not a paid member, if you go to my homepage on YouTube, you can see where you can sign up to become a paid member. I have 3 tiers. Regardless of what tier you pick, if you wanted to be a paid member, you will still benefit from what I'm getting ready to say. So since I have paid members to the channel, I feel like if I took 6 months off, I feel like people are not getting their money's worth, right, for the paid membership. So what I'm going to do is not only interact with my public community on the community tab 3 to 5 times a week and engage with you guys there and have conversations and just share what's going on with you guys there. But I'm also going to release about 1 video a week, but that is going to be in the paid membership side. And so that's my commitment to you if you're a paid channel member. If you want to still see some new and updated content that's going to be coming out over the next 6 months, it's totally up to you. You can become a paid member, and you'll have access regardless of what tier you choose. You'll have access to those videos as well. So again, I'm going to take a break for about the next 6 months. I just got a lot going on and I need a break from YouTube a little bit, from creating videos and being worried about getting 3 videos a week out to you guys to see. So I'm going to hit pause on the public release of the videos. That's the first thing. The second thing is I'm still going to communicate with the public audience in the community tab where we can interact together. We could talk about rod building and stuff like that. I will also continue to answer any questions that I get on any of my content that is already public and posted. I will continue to answer any question that any of you guys have on those videos. So you can always, interact with me there. And then lastly, I'm committed to still providing at least about one video a week for my paid members to this channel, and honoring that commitment to you guys that I kind of set forth in the perks of being one of the 3 tiers that I have there. So again, going to take a break, I think it's long overdue, but I just need a little bit of a break. We'll come back, we'll rewind. Hopefully I'll have some new things. Well, I know I will. I'll have some new things available for you guys on my website and here on YouTube when I come back to the channel here in about 6 months or so, probably around June, July timeframe. And I'll be fresh, ready to go, hopefully creating some better content than what I'm making now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I wanted to share that with you. If you guys have any questions, man, leave a question down in the comments block. If you want to be a paid member to the channel so you can still see some updated videos that are new release content that's going to come out over the next 6 months. If you go down in the video description below, there's going to be a link where you can become a paid member. Again, there's 3 tiers ranging from $2 and some change to $20 and some change. And so you can pick any one of those 3 tiers. If you're interested in joining, no pressure, but you'll have access to some great new content at least once a week for right now for the next 6 months. So hey, I wish you guys all the best of luck. Make sure you guys take time to unplug, unwind, do what it is you guys want to do. And lastly, I truly appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you for subscribing to the channel if you're a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, that's okay. Thank you for just taking the time to watch my content, and interact with me if you've done that. And to my paid channel members, I appreciate you guys as well. Couldn't do this without you. Thank you for your commitment to me, and therefore I'm going to honor my commitment to you guys. So take care. Make sure you guys watch this next video here, which is most likely a rerun. And we'll see you guys this summer. All right, take care, guys. Bye.